Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be playing Build a Boat for Treasure. We're going to play with my little brother. And yeah, we're going to build a good boat. Well, probably not even a boat, because who builds boats these days? Going to expand this. Yep, expand this, guys. I'm going to build a massive platform first. So I'm going to build some metal. Alright, Mason, join my team.
What flag?
Let me see. White.
What? Boom. Thanks, Charlie. What are you going to build?
I'm just building something right now. Guys, you can also recreate this if you want. You don't have to build these walls high, because we're going to need some metal for later.
You should probably build this too, guys. Because this one might be really good.
How am I struggling this bad?
Hey, why are you struggling this hard?
And boom. Also, we're going to release Dandy's World video to later.
I do want a plushie.
Listen, everyone's got it.
Oh, yeah. Well,
Now, what we're going to do, for some pistons.
I forgot how to get all of our plushies. Go and move on my other account.
You want to place one, like that, on each. They don't have to be exactly in the corner. Now what you're going to do is search up plastic. 3 blocks out.
I'm curious what you're going to build.
Another 3 blocks out. 3 blocks out.
And remember, guys, believe it.
And we're going to select all. Wait, no, clears are not. Anchor
Why are you
off.
two facing each other? Believe it or not.
Put the length to 9. Alright, let me do that quickly.
And then we got full of them so carefully.
Alright, so I've set all the pistons to 9 length. Let's test them out quickly. Wait, make sure they're all unanchored.
I do think it's
Turn it off and on. Something's bugging.
Oh, yeah. Working.
Yeah, something happened there.
Let's check the rest on that. Okay, what's it bugging too?
But I'm gonna fix the issue quickly. Set all the collisions off for them. Alright, there. Now, place a wheel.
It looks like a dusty plastic animals. Sick.
Place a wheel in the middle. It doesn't need to be directly in the middle, just close to the middle. Then what you're going to do is get a piston, place it on top, get a hinge, make sure it's facing upwards. Now Now you're probably like, what are you doing? You want another hinge? Place it facing downwards. There. You see how cool that looks?
I can't, looks like a cake a little bit. It makes me
But
hungry.
we're gonna place plastic
It looks
blocks.
like a table of a drink.
You're gonna scale it out some that of way.
Which gives me a candy button. Whoa.
You need to go like that so you don't waste too many blocks. Especially if you don't have much plastic. I am broke on plastic.
Or what if somebody what if nobody has like a scale who's watching you?
They don't have to use scale. We need some what was it again?
I don't think
Oh yeah, wheel. You need to place one wheel in the middle again. One wheel there. And there. See these wheels? You're gonna place some more plastic. One, two, wait, 3, 4. You want to build it exactly like this. You scaled to select. Oh, wait. You scaled to bring them down like that, so you have enough blocks. You don't always have to do this, but just since some blocks are on plastic, I'm doing it.
So I'm gonna have to do less.
Now, this one, you don't need any block to it. You just need some rods facing upwards. 2 of them. 3 magnet. Facing downwards. Place any magnetic block.
I hate when machine guns don't place properly.
Place 3 of them if you need, like this. Now you want another hinge.
But it just give me a letterbox vibe.
Okay, now save it if you need to.
What were you even doing?
Now guys, I'm going to test if it works really quick.
It needs to
Okay
work.
guys, there's one thing I forgot. I'm going to load it in quickly. I'll show you. So you see the top platform should be rotating, but you'll actually need 3 seats. Actually, you won't need any seats, but sometimes it just helps. One there, one there, one there. Yep, see? Now, you can go like this.
Whoa,
You can go like this.
oh jeez, it flipped.
Make sure this is rotating. So reverse spin.
Let me just get. Oh, I go.
Set all wheel torques to
I think we need one more person.
off. Reverse spin now. I'll show you how it works, guys. See, that's rotating.
Yeah, but why are we upside down?
I need to turn the magnets on.
When it makes me,
See?
Jeez, I got so far. Gee, what just happened?
I told you.
I didn't know you do this. Bro.
And it just keeps going.
Yeah,
and
but
that is how you build a rotating flying platform.
yeah, but how do you win?
Subscribe for more content like this, guys. And to win, you just jump out of your chair where you're near the end. Bye, guys.